Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lamborghini Aventador S. As you can notice, the first thing is that it has a cover on it. It came with the car and it's part of the unboxing process. It has this beautiful Lamborghini logo on the front and it also says Lamborghini on the back. So now we're going to take this off. We're going to show you the proper way to do it without scratching your car. So if you notice when we're taking it off, the car has been ceramic coated, so it might be a little bit more slippery to take it off. Make sure not to slide the cover over the car, you just want to roll it. So now we're going to slide it over to me, bring it over this windshield, and just fold it over.